Hello everyone, welcome to Wire Network. Today in this video, I will show you how to configure PPPoE server on MikroTik router board. Connect your MikroTik router using the Winbox. You will need to log in with appropriate credentials. Step 1. Configure LAN interface. Go to the IP and click on Addresses. Click on the plus button to add new IP address. In the address field, enter your local IP address. Select your LAN interface. Step 2. Configure DNS server. Go to the IP menu and select DNS. Click on the servers field and enter Google DNS. Step 3. Configure IP pool for PPPoE users. Go to the IP menu and select Pool. In the Pool window, click the plus button to add a new IP pool. Enter a name for the IP pool. This is for your reference, so choose a descriptive name. In the Addresses field, define the range of IP addresses that will be included in the pool. Step 4. Create a PPPoE server profile. Go to the PPT menu and select Profiles. In the PPP Profiles window, click the plus button to add a new profile. Enter a name for the profile. Specify the local IP address and remote address. Enter DNS address if you want. Step 5. Create PPPoE username and password. Go to the PPT menu and select Secrets. Click the plus button to add a new PPPoE client account. Enter a username for the client. In the Password field, set a password for the client. In the Service field, set this to PPPoE. Select the PPPoE profile you created in the previous steps. Step 6. Create a PPPoE server interface. Go to the PPT menu and select PPPoE server. In the PPPoE server window, click the plus button to add a new PPPoE server. Enter server name. Select a server interface. Select the default profile you created in the previous steps. Step 7. Configure firewall rules. Go to the IP menu and select Firewall. In the firewall window, go to the NAT tab. Click on plus button to add new rules. In the General tab of the Masquerade rule, set the chain to srcNAT. In the src address field, enter your LAN IP pool. Go to the Action tab and select Masquerade.